The capacity of two similar containers are 54 ml and 250 ml respectively. The difference in the heights of the two container is 4 centimeter. Find the height of the larger container. To solve this question, we shall find first of all the volume scale factor. The volume scale factor, which is the same as the ratio of the volumes of the two containers, or the capacities, the ratio of the capacity of the two containers. In this case, the capacity of the bigger container is 250 divided by the capacity of the smaller container. Now this is called ratio of capacities. This will give us the volume scale factor as 125 divided by 27 if you simplify further. From there, we shall find the linear scale factor, and the linear scale factor is the cube root of the volume scale factor, which implies the cube root of 125 over 27. This is the same as 5 over 3. Now, this represents, the linear scale factor represents the ratio of their heights. But you're told that the bigger container or the larger container is 4 centimeter more than the smaller container. We can therefore say that the ratio of their height is equals to, if we let the height of the small container to be x, then the height of the larger container will be x plus 4. And that statement that says, or that is from the statement that says the difference in the height of the two containers is 4 centimeter. Then from here, we can do cross multiplication. Therefore, 5x is the same as 3x plus 12. Therefore, 5x minus 3x is the same as 12. X is 6. X is the height of the smaller container. Therefore, the height of the larger container is the same as the height of the smaller container plus 4, which is 10 centimeter.